Senbo's latest product is here. The T180 paper bag machine with automatic packing inline system makes its grand debut. It provides a one-stop solution for the entire process of paper bag production, sorting, packaging, and cartoning. From automatic opening the carton, automatic inserting the bag, paper bag stacking, flattening and sorting, intelligent strapping, to 6-axis intelligent robot for precise clamping, pack into carton, sealing packaging bags, tape sealing carton, the entire process is completed in one time, truly achieving fully automatic production. Once packed, the paper bags are neatly arranged, making them less likely to shift during long-distance transport and ensuring the quality of the shipped product. Packing speed can reach 480 bundles an hour, exquisitely manufactured. The machine runs steadily with low noise, and features robust durability. It can meet the needs of factories for continuous production around the clock, and easily adapt to large volume standardized order production. Each production line can save more than 10 labor costs, helping enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency. From efficiency upgrades to cost reduction, from traditional manual labor to intelligent automation, this new professional production line is designed to empower and accelerate efficient production in the paper bag manufacturing industry. Our new products are now available. We sincerely invite new and existing customers to visit us for consultation and purchase.